solar panel is going to that fuse, which goes to that wire going to the lithium ion battery. See, I got issues. I got issues there, but not too bad. Quickly, back to normal. Where I am. This wire goes to the car outside. This wire goes to the fuse box. So the sun's hitting that panel okay and that panel at the moment, but when the sun gets down over there, this becomes an issue. You can see the little solar controller box in the car. There goes the wind again. Making some power. The fuse box goes all over. Essentially, for instance, we've got the car and the Harbor Freight going to the Walmart battery. And the Walmart battery, so there's just two panels right now, car and the Harbor Freight. And then the lithium ion is connected to this one through that wire, not the actual fuse box anymore. I had problems. So they're completely separated. Now if I want to connect the two positives, that works too, but that gave me an error. So at least the cooler's running off of the Walmart. And that panel I had to resolder, but it worked. Going to this little camera over there. This camera is hardwired actually right there. 11.0, 37 max mode, 10.3, not bad. Got 36 watts, should be 50 though. 44% at least. So got 3 places to put a phone. Not bad. And obviously there's 3 chargers. Technically one of them is there. Got this fan, this fan, this fan, and that fan. When it gets to 100 degrees. And that one says 82. So we'll call it like, what, 85 right there? Something like Hawaii weather. Fan on.
Other children.
Oh yeah.